Willkommen zu Deutsch lernen, Tag 4. Today we are diving into essential basic greetings and introductions.
Mastering greetings and introductions is your key to starting any conversation in German. Let's begin. Welcome back to your German language journey. Today we are building on your foundation. Remember what we learned in the previous days. We covered basic vocabulary, numbers, and perhaps some simple phrases. Great job so far. Our focus for today is practical German, how to greet people and introduce yourself. In German, it's important to know the difference between formal and informal language. Let's start with formal greetings, which you'll use in professional settings or with people you don't know well. The most common formal greeting is Guten Tag, meaning good day. You can use this anytime between late morning and late afternoon. For the morning, say Guten Morgen or Good Morning. This is typically used from sunrise until around noon. And as the day winds down, use Guten Abend, which means good evening. This is used from about 6 p.m. until bedtime. Now, let's look at informal greetings. These are used with friends, family, and people you address with du. The easiest informal greeting is hello, which simply means hello. It's used in almost all casual situations. When saying goodbye informally, use tschüss, pronounced like choose. This is the casual way to say bye. Moving on to introductions. Knowing how to ask and state your name is essential. To formally ask someone's name, you say, Wie heißen Sie? This translates to, what is your name? Informally, when addressing a friend or peer, you ask, Wie heißt du? Remember to use du for informal contexts. To respond and say your name, the phrase is, Ich heiße your name. For example, Ich heiße Max.
Another useful formal phrase is asking how someone is, Wie geht es Ihnen?
A common positive response is, Mir geht es gut, danke, which means, I am well, thank you. You've successfully learned fundamental German greetings and introductions today. Practice these until they feel natural. Take some time now to repeat these phrases. Repetition is key to fluency. Try practicing with a partner. Join us for day 5, where we will dive into counting and using numbers in German. Bis dann!